international place value chart and Indian place value chart. So exercise 1.2 is completed. Now go to the next part, place value and face value. What is place value and what is face value? So the face value of a digit in a number becomes itself, and the place value of a digit in a number is its location in the given number. So place value is nothing but its position in the given number or its location in the given number, and face value is equal to itself, that means becomes itself. So let us see an example for place value and face value for understanding the concept. So let us take an example. So a 5-digit number, so like this 75,674. So this is a 5-digit number. So how to write the place values and face values for each digit in this number? So place value and face value. So face value, so place value. So first, the 4 is in ones place, and 7 is in tens place, 6 is in hundreds place, 5 is in thousands place, 7 is in 10,000s place. So this is the place value chart. So now what is the face value of the digit 4? So what is the face value of the digit 4? The face value of any digit becomes itself. The face value of 4 becomes 4. So the face value of any digit becomes itself. So that's why the face value of the digit 4 is 4. And the place value of 4 is the digit into, that means the digit should be multiplied with its place. The 4 is present in ones place, so that's why the 4 should be multiplied with 1 and becomes 4. Next, now take the another digit 7. So what is the face value of 7? The face value of 7 becomes itself, that is 7, and 7 is present in tens place. The place value becomes 7 into 10. So place value can be obtained by multiplying the digit with its place. So place value can be obtained by multiplying digit into its place. So we will get place value. So the digit is 7 and 7 is present in tens place. That's why 7 into 10, the place value is 70. Now what is the face value of the digit 6? So the face value becomes itself, that is 6, and 6 is present in hundreds place. That's why 6 should be multiplied with 100, then its place value becomes 600. Now take the digit 5, its face value is itself, so 5, and place value is multiply the 5 with its place. So 5 is present in thousands place, so multiply the 5 with 1000 and it becomes 5000. So in the same way, what is the face value of 7? Face value of 7 becomes itself, so 7. And what is the place value of 7? The 7 should be multiplied with its place. 7 is present in 10,000s place. So 7 should be multiplied with 10,000, then it becomes 70,000. So in this way, we can write the place value and face value for any digit in the given number. So face value becomes itself, and place value can be obtained by multiplying the digit with its place. So this is the way of writing place value and face value. So the part is completed. Okay children, now go to the exercise part, that is exercise 1.3. The first problem is, so write the given number in place value chart. So write this number in the place value chart. So how to write the given number in the place value chart? So first we have to write the place value chart. So that is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. So here the number contains 5 digits. So we have to write the places up to 5 places. So the digit contains 5 places. So that's why we have to write up to 5 places in the chart. That is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000. So this is the place value chart for 5 digits in Indian place value chart. Now insert every digit in the place value chart. So 8 is present in ones place, so write 8 in ones place, and write 7 in tens place, write 6 in hundreds place, write 5 in thousands place, and write 2 in 10,000s place. So this is the way of representing a given number in place value chart. So first write the place value chart and insert the digits in the place value chart. So this is the answer. Go to the second problem in exercise 1.3. So let us see the table. So this table is based on place value and face values. So they have given a number and they have underlined a digit. So we have to write the face value and place value for the underlined digit. So how to write the face value and place value for the underlined digit in the given number? So see the first problem, the underlined digit is 5. So let us find first the underlined digit place. So in which place the underlined digit is present. So write the places for the given digit. So 8 is in ones place, 6 is in tens place, and 5 is in hundreds place. So the face value of the digit 5 becomes itself, that's why the face value of 5 is 5. And the place of the 5 is in 100, so the place becomes hundreds. And what is place value? We can obtain the place value by multiplying the digit with its place. That means digit into place. So if we multiply the digit with its place, we can get the place value. So the digit is 5 and the place is 100. If we multiply the digit with its place, that is 5 into 100, we will get 500. This is the place value of 5. So in the same way, see the second problem. Here also the underlined digit is 5. So what is the face value of 5? So face value of a digit is itself. That's why the face value of the 5 becomes again 5. And what is the place of the 5? So now write the places. So 7 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place, 2 is in hundreds place, 6 is in thousands place, and 5 is in 10,000s place. So the place of the 5 is 10,000. So write 10,000 here. Next, what is place value? Place value can be obtained by multiplying the digit. Here the digit is 5. By multiplying the digit with its place. Here the digit is 5 and its place is 10,000. So multiply both 5 and 10,000, we get 50,000. So it is the place value of the digit 5. So let us see the third problem. Here the underlined digit is 3. Its face value becomes itself. The face value of 3 is 3. And what is the place of the 3? So write the places: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So here the 3 is present in 10,000s place. So the place of the 3 is again 10,000. So what is the place value of 3? So place value can be obtained by multiplying the digit. Here the digit is 3 and its place is 10,000. So multiply the digit with its place. So multiply the 3 with 10,000, we will get 30,000 is its place value. So in the similar way, you can practice the fourth problem. So exercise 1.3 is completed.